Umkhonto weSizwe Party was in Phalaborwa, Limpopo, campaigning for the upcoming local government elections in 18 months. They are around the corner, guys, so campaigning is the best thing to do. And since Limpopo is still new, MK Limpopo, I told amavoti at Heni with the national elections. So starting now to campaign will help the party a lot.
Jela. Wethu. Mandla. Mandla. Phambili. Phambili. Wethu.
MK Party was also at Collins Chibane welcoming new members. Guys, this is very big. It is very big. Tsilitsi Maranga was also in a campaigning trail across the province, recruiting new members to the MK Party. In KZN, MK Party was at the Moses Mabhida region in Popomeni Township. Campaigning, that's what they do best. They campaign, they go to the ground. The ground is where it's at, guys. And also at eThekwini region, they were also campaigning. They took it to the streets. That is where it's at. That's where Umkhonto is good at. Campaigning, all your motorcades. That's how Umkhonto grew, mostly in KZN. Motorcades in KZN during national elections helped Umkhonto weSizwe Party to be where it's at right now. Do you think it's the right time to start the campaigning trails across the country? What do you think of these MK campaigning trails across Limpopo province and KZN? Please do share your thoughts down below, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't skip that.